Hey guys, welcome to Homebody. Want to see how I made this beautiful gift box to go under my Christmas tree? Just keep on watching. So those of you who've been following me for quite some time, remember when I purchased these beautiful trash cans. These are actually trash cans from Home Goods. They were a little pricey, but I would never use these as trash cans. I actually purchased these to use these as flower vases to put flowers in. I used them for the spring and for the summer, and I showed you guys how pretty they were with florals sticking out of them. And then you also can use these as a candle holder. You can flip this upside down and use it to store, you can put a mirror on top of here. I have a mirror that I actually can put on top of here to show you what I'm talking about. It comes from Walmart, and you can just put it on top of here and use it as a riser or something like that. But anyway, for Christmas, I'm using it as a gift box. So maybe I'll use it as a riser at another time, but I'm going to use it as a gift box. I'm going to make it real pretty, very simple. You guys know I'm a very simplistic when it comes to DIYs. I don't like to have to think or come up with any type of fancy way to do anything. So I'm going to beautify this beautiful trash can. I'm going to call it Trash to Treasure. So basically what I did was I took some of my ribbon here. This is actually 25 feet of ribbon that I purchased after Christmas from Michael's last year. I think it was either 75 or 95% off. So I have my ribbon pre-cut here. I pre-cut 4 strips because I want to basically just simple. Just take my ribbon and just tape it like this. I'm going to place a piece of tape underneath the trash can, and I'm going to place a piece of tape inside the inner portion of the trash can. Actually, I already have my tape pre-cut as well. I already have my tape. It doesn't have to be neat or anything like that because no one's going to see inside of your trash can. And then you pull it really tight, meaning tight, and as tight as you can get it, and being sure it's in the center of your trash can, and just place your tape underneath here, and you just pull. And so I just basically repeat that process on all 4 sides, and I will have a nice pretty gift box. And what I'm going to use for my bow is a flower. I'm going to use this pretty red flower that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I showed those florals to you in one of my hauls, and also a shop with me. So I'm going to go ahead and just place my tape all the way around my trash can to create my beautiful gift box that I'm going to be using under my tree for the time being. And I also can use it other places, like sitting next to the fireplace or whatnot. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish the other 2 sides. Okay, so I have all 4 sides of my can nicely ribboned up. Now I could put a little tape, under there, but I'm not, because it's going to be hard to really see that it's not taped all the way down. So now that I have it all set up there, so now I'm going to go ahead and add these beautiful florals here. I'm only going to add 1 because this can stand to be like a bow type. It'll give you that bow type effect once you put it in there. It's going to be really, really pretty. So let me go ahead and set my camera up so you can see how it's going to look inside of the box. So basically what I do is I just take my floral. I don't cut them because I use them for different things. I just take it and fold it. I fold the stem, and I just take it and I stick it inside of the box. And once I get it inside of the box, I'm hoping you can see that, then I have to play around with it to hide the inner portions of the trash can. So now I'm going to just take it, and I'm either going to put it under the tree so you can get an idea of how the box look, or in front of my fireplace. Okay, love, so I decided to show you how the boxes look, styling them with my fireplace so that I can show you this beautiful fireplace as well. It's a recent purchase from Wayfair. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in checking out this fireplace. But my boxes are so pretty on top of the fireplace. And who would guess that these are actually trash cans? I can use them on the top, on the bottom, on the side. Now this fireplace is like a thin fireplace, and since I don't have a lot of space, I'm trying to go with the thin pieces of furniture now. And it's electric and it runs by batteries, and you can set the timer, and it's so pretty and it's so perfect for my space. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.